So what we're going to work on is another good exercise or stretch or mobility exercise for that upper thoracic spine or that upper back. We've gone through the cat-cow exercise, which is a great generalized spinal mobility activity. So that's, up and down, and we get good motion through basically every part of the spine. But if we want to focus that or target it more at the upper back, we can do a modified version. So the modified cat-cow or modified sphinx, as some people call it. So if you go from this position and you sit back, basically your hands right in front of your knees, you're going to be nice and tall. What you're going to do is the same motion, but now that we're tucked down, we're sitting our butt to our heels, it's very hard for us to arch in our low back, and most of that motion is going to come from our upper back. So we're going to push up nice and tall, head down, and then we're going to reverse it. We're going to have that head come back, chest is going to come forward, nice and far and up, and then reverse. So we're just working on some motion to get this upper back going. Tell people it's like howling at the moon, okay? We're just trying to get that upper back to move a little bit. And another thing we can do immediately following that is add a little bit of rotation, because rotation is really a big part of extension as well. So if we do the same thing, so we do about 10 to 15 times, then we're going to take one arm and one hand and put it on the back of our neck. So if we put it up here, basically we're going to rotate up as far as we can, looking at our elbow, and then we're going to come down and touch the opposite elbow. So again, we're going as far as possible. Make sure to always look at the elbow. It'll allow us to get a little more rotation out of it. So we're going to repeat that 10 times, and then we're going to do the opposite side. So again, if I change positions on you, so we're nice and tall. We did our modified cat-cow. We're going to put one hand on the back of our neck. We're going to rotate up, looking at the elbow, and then we're going to come down and touch the other elbow. Good. And we're trying to get as much rotation as we can. A great mobility stretch for the thoracic spine.